Welcome to Kennedy High School, home of the Fighting Irish. Established in 1964, we have a tradition of excellence. Most recently, we have a 2024 California Distinguished School Honor and a 2024 Civic Learning Award of Excellence. Also, a 2024 AP Honor Roll. Additionally, we are the only school in the Anaheim Union High School District with an IB diploma program. Our athletics are off the charts. Our clubs and programs have something for everyone. We can't wait for you to become a part of the Fighting Irish family. My name is Poppy Hilbonalis, and I am the proud principal of Kennedy High School. Come on in, take a look.
From assemblies and dances to service opportunities and club events, Kennedy offers students the chance to make memories, make friends, and make a difference in the world. Come on in.
Kennedy is home to our amazing Fighting Irish athletics. This past year, girls varsity volleyball won their second straight league championship. Our varsity football team won their first league championship in 17 years. And girls varsity golf won their first league championship ever. Let's go see some more of our champions.
Come on in. My name is David Hernandez. I'm the Faces here at Kennedy High School. I have the pleasure of supporting all our families with informational workshops, resources, and so much more. Right now, we're in the Family and Community Engagement Center. Please feel free to stop by if you need anything.
The Counseling Center is filled with our amazing counselors and support staff, ready to help students and families navigate college applications, explore career options, and develop the skills necessary to succeed.
As part of the exclusive award-winning KITE AI pathway, students develop skills that will position them for success in the world of technology and engineering, as well as in any job that requires critical thinking, problem solving, or creativity. Join KITE and start your journey today.
Kennedy is also home to the only international baccalaureate program in the AUHSD.
Students enroll in the prestigious IB program gain knowledge and skills which better prepare them for college.
Just as importantly, IB students are a part of a community of students that encourage one another to be the best version of themselves,
both in the classroom and beyond.
Kennedy offers a vibrant visual and performing arts program featuring the award-winning Kennedy Singers, the legendary Shamrock Regiment, and classes where students can express their creativity from film to photography to so much more. Quiet on set.
From culinary to medical careers, Kennedy offers a variety of career and technical education pathways aimed at preparing students to enter the workforce ready to succeed in their chosen profession. Let's see what's cooking.
chronicled in the pages of our Eternal Flame yearbook. A lasting reminder that we're all